share in news that Marketing O'Clock reported like a month ago. Google has launched their new custom audiences, which are a combination of custom intent and custom affinity. So these are for display and YouTube targeting. And when you're building your keyword lists, as if it was a custom intent audience, you can choose people with any of these interests or purchase intentions, or people who searched for any of these terms on Google or YouTube. So a note here, they said custom affinity audiences with keywords will convert to people with any of these interests or purchase intentions, as will display custom intent. Custom intent audiences on YouTube, Gmail, and discovery campaigns will convert to people who searched for any of these terms on Google properties. So you're going to want to check if any of these automatically switched over and make sure you like the way they did it. And there's also a separate box to add your URLs and apps now. I made the mistake the first time I tried this of putting it in the keyword list, but you can't do it there. The coolest part is the place targeting now. Everyone should really look into this. There's a lot of really cool B2B ones, which I didn't think there would be at first. There's like manufacturing plants, attorneys, historical sites. Jess, I feel like you guys are always at a historical site.
We try to be whenever we can.
The restaurants are like really narrow categories, like every different type of cuisine you could ever dream of, things I've never heard of. Public transit stops, like everyone just needs to spend an hour looking for all the possibilities on this for all their clients. But there's no list, which is annoying. You have to type every single one in and see what you can find. And it's also a bummer because nobody's going anywhere right now. But I mean, when they start to again, it'll be nice.
You could target urgent care so you could really target Jess well after a heat blanket.
After my burn. Yeah, if you're looking for urgent care and historical sites, that's me.
I didn't look for like hospitals. There's definitely got to be like a brewery one too.
There's got to be. Also, there's got to be one for home, right? Everybody's in that audience right now, to your point.
I would think
target everyone, target home.
Everyone's always at home anyway. You can't target that. Okay. So the biggest thing to remember here also, I think I already said something was the biggest thing to remember, but just keep in mind, any additional box that you add after your keywords is going to be like an or targeting stipulation. So it's going to make your audience more broad. You can't use those to narrow it, at least at this point. So just be careful when you're building these, and you can still see your reach and everything on the side when you're building them. So super cool. Check it out. Like what you saw? Of course you did. If you're looking for more, Marketing O'Clock releases new episodes every Friday with digital marketing news of the week. You can subscribe wherever you consume your podcasts, or click to watch the full episode, the next news story, or read all the